Looks like on the Voyager today, it's going to be time to adjust the shocks. It comes with a rebound dampening setting of 2 and 0 in the air shocks. I guess the max according to the book is 42 pounds. I'm going to go ahead and put, because I do ride myself, and I have a few things in the bags, and I'm not a light guy at 225 pounds. I'm also 6'4". I do like to take my wife with me. That adds additional weight on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 30 pounds of air into the shocks and set the rebound dampening at 3. That seems to be a universal setting for this bike. So we'll do it, and we'll start with this side here. It's a lot easier to open that up. So it looks like the rebound dampener is up in there. It's set for number 2 right now with the 2 white hash marks. And then there's the valve here. So let's go ahead and get this off. Okay. And let me go ahead and adjust that to number 3 on this side. Okay, that was impossible to film. There's no room in there, but I rotated the wheel on this side from the right to the left, and I get the 3 hash marks now. So that's adjusted for number 3. And now we'll go ahead and get some air in there. Guys, you don't want to use a compressor. Definitely don't want to bring it to the gas station. You want to use something like this. Just a plain old bicycle pump. Something with a little gauge on it here. I'm going to bring it right up. The top of this is PSI. In the 20 and the 40, it looks like that'll be 30. And that way when I pull this off, if it leaks a little bit of air, I'll be down to about 25. So first time I'm doing this, let's see how that works. You want to use something gentle, like a hand pump for this. So let me see if I can get this on there. Okay, so that fit on. When you're going to take this off, you want to be quick about it and minimize the air loss. And I'm going to leave this right on the seat and give it a few pumps and see if I can't get 30 pounds. It doesn't take a whole lot. There's 20 already, because of course the little chamber that you're filling up with air, this 30 pounds right there, the little chamber is extremely small. So let me see what it takes to go ahead and disconnect this, and if I lollygag and it gets stuck on there, I'm basically going to dump out all the air that I just put in. So let's see how fast I can pull this off. Okay, I barely lost air. I was shooting for is about 25, so I did put 30 in, and as I pulled it off, you can hear a little bit of a leak. So we have a little air in this one now. Again, the dampener is set for 3, and it's a lot easier to do if you go ahead and open up your bag. So this side is done. Now I just can't wait to take it for a ride in the morning to see what it feels like. Right now, it's kind of late at night here. Past 7 p.m. and it's still 98 degrees in the frickin' shade, so it's just ridiculous, man. I'd just be sweating, so it's better to wait till morning. So let's go ahead and get the other side done. Took the cap off. Now I need to get under there and adjust that from that 2 to a 3. Check 3 hash marks, so that's number 3. And we'll do the same thing. We'll go ahead and get some air in this side. I'll set it for 30 and minimize the loss when I disconnect it. And apparently, using a 3 and 30 pounds is supposed to drastically change the ride of this. So I'm looking forward to seeing what it feels like tomorrow. Okay, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just going by with some of the things that I've heard, some of the things that I've read, watched. Everybody talks about the 30 and 3 being pretty good for this. Again, you're not hurting anything. Max you can put in there is 42, but the biggest thing is using a hand pump. You do not want to use even a home compressor. You can blow out the seals in the shock unless you really enjoy replacing stuff. So it's all hooked up. Let's go ahead and get some air in there. Alright, I lost nothing on that, which was nice. So, I mean, very, very little. It definitely sounded like the other side. So, that's it, guys. I'm pretty psyched about seeing what this feels like tomorrow. Again, you don't have to use 30 if you want to try 10 or 20 or 25, whatever you want. But I keep hearing the magic numbers of 30 pounds and 3 on the redamp. So, okay. And yes, I did put these on because I got the little tool in case I had to remove the valve out of either here or on the tires. So that's it. Anyway, if this helps, what I'll do is I'll take it for a ride before I make a video of this, so I can tell you guys what I thought. First of all, just took a quick ride. Of course, it's silent, so I'm just going to throw some background music in. Sorry, guys, I had the microphone off on my camera. First time I did that, I guess with my gloves on or putting it in and out of the case, I went ahead and shut the mic off, so you can't hear that. But anyway, just a follow-up. The 30 pounds in the shocks and the rebound dampener set for 3. It's a totally different ride, man. It's so much nicer. It doesn't feel like it's got a little bit of a bottom out thing going on. I mean, it's just absolutely awesome. So, you know, if you guys want to do that, that's cool. If you want to experiment with it, maybe try 10, 15, 20, 25. I went right to 30 because everything I heard and read, everybody kind of rant and raved about those settings. So I'm pretty happy. So let me go ahead and put this all together. Again, I apologize about taking a ride with no sound. I'll go ahead and remedy that next time. And again, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future content. I'll go ahead and get this on YouTube just as quickly as I can. And thanks for watching.